Hi crypto kings and queens, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna do a super quick video because I took two short positions on Bitcoin from around 59,200 and my take profit is around 58,400 and 58,069, around that level. And why do I have these as take profits? It's because I could see the market coming back to these levels for then reverse to the upside. I'm gonna look at buy opportunities at these levels and the targets that I'm having from in case we're coming back down and continues to the upside. I'm taking the Fibonacci right now again, and we're just gonna take the other ones away. And I could see, if I buy the market from this level, I'm taking my take profit around 62,200, and after that I'm actually gonna start to see if we're breaking to the downside. Super quick video. I just want to see how the market is moving. I just want to share this with you. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. Everything that I do is say is based on my own experience. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue watching this video and I'll show you exactly what targets I'm having and how I see it and why I see it. So let's go. And I also want to thank you everyone for following me. Today I did hit 2,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for supporting this channel, and please go inside and like this video so we can reach out to more people. If you're also scrolling down to the description down below, you can also see that right now we do have a bonus on Phoenix up to $4,100. So go down, use the link that I'm having in the description and claim this bonus. You also can use Prime XBT and you can receive up to 50% bonus added to your deposit by using the promo code that I'm having, and that is Bitcoinsensus. So guys, scroll down to the description down below, take claim of these bonuses. And one more time, thank you so much for supporting this channel. And now we're gonna continue looking at BTC. I just want to give you a super quick update on what's going on Bitcoin right now. And we are just about to go back down. I do believe the market will continue back up, and I'm having I do have the Fibonacci on the higher time frames. I think I did take it from the daily, so I'm taking a Fibonacci from 56,934 to the highest point to where we are right now, and that is 59,732, going down to the lower time frames. I actually sold the market. I'm right now in a position, I have two positions right now from 59,240, around that level. My targets is back down to where I see the market could come back down for then continue to the upside. So my targets, I have two targets around 58,300 and 57,900. And when the market comes to these levels, I actually have buy limit orders. And the target that I'm having if we are coming back up is the higher time frames Fibonacci to the downside, to the downside. So if the market comes to 62,000 and I start to see the market creates a lower high, and this is something that I have been talking about, but as long as I'm seeing the market actually giving me rejections and that we're not having the power to continue back up, I'm gonna sell the market on Bitcoin. But if we're continuing up, obviously so many things can happen, but that is my targets right now. But we just have to wait and see what's gonna happen. But I do have my take profits right now just around this previous support right here that we're having around 58,500. So the trades that I'm in right now is just short positions, but as long as we are holding ourselves below 59,000, and I just want to see how the market reacts to it. But we could definitely come back down, but it is how many hours? So it's 39 minutes left of this daily candle that we're having. But looking at the weekly on Bitcoin, we're having such a huge bearish candlestick. So I could definitely see the market coming back down. But we just might have a wick in the first couple of days to the upside, and that could activate my sell limit orders, or when I'm gonna start looking at the sell orders right here. But first of all, we want to see if the market comes back down, if we're gonna respect this level that I'm having right between 59,320 and 59,240. Continuation to the downside, my profits is where I want to see the market breaking to the upside again. So I'm just trying to puzzle everything together, and that creates me my sell opportunity, my take profits for then looking to see if the market goes to the upside. So a quick video, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a good week. Remember, risk management is key. Screaming here. Have a good day. We are seeing each other in next week in more live streams and in more videos. Have a good day, and from Sweden, I'm saying goodbye.